Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into the Google Workspace account tied to Classroom and have Gemini enabled. Once done, open the Classroom class where you want AI help and create or select a lesson draft. Make sure you allow permissions when Gemini prompts for access. This lets Gemini read context and suggest relevant content. The why is simple. Contextual prompts produce better, specific outputs for your students instead of generic suggestions. You now activate Gemini inside the assignment or materials editor and paste a focused prompt. Include objectives, grade level, resource limits, and any format needs. Once Gemini generates content, scan for accuracy and alignment with learning goals, and edit tone or difficulty to match your class. If you need multiple variations, ask for 2-3 versions or a simpler/harder variant. This hands-on review is critical because the AI speeds content creation, but you remain the instructional quality. Finish by inserting the polished Gemini content into the assignment, add attachments, set the due date, and publish. You should also add teacher notes and rubrics so grading aligns with AI suggestions. If something looks off after publishing, don't panic. Refine the prompt with clearer constraints or roll back to your prior draft and rerun Gemini. One key troubleshooting tip: check permission settings and prompt clarity first. Most issues come from missing access or vague instructions rather than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.